Welcome back, guys. Hope you've been having an awesome day. I've been having an awesome day. It's a little overcast, but that's okay. We're out here doing it anyway. Stumbled across this rock as I was digging out. I have already dug one clean out into the bucket. I'm about to do a second clean out here in just a second, but I wanted to show you what I ran across today. That thing, that is just full of little holes where gold is going to get trapped into that thing. All those dark spots, those are holes. So I mean, I cleaned that thing off super good, just trying to get to you know, down to the bottom of those holes really well, and I think I did a great job. Anyway, that was fun. But anyway, I'm going to get back to rocking it. I'm glad you guys are along. Let's do it. This past weekend, me and my son came out here, one of the big old Brewski boys, and we started another hole. That was on Sunday, so we started a new hole. This was the hole that got really deep. This is the hole that I've been working on, still working it. This is the hole that we started. And as I've noticed, as I move further along this riverbank here, the First National Riverbank, I'm discovering there's more in there than there was in the previous holes. So maybe I wasn't doing something right before, but now we're into the gold. This is looking great. Couldn't be happier. Still messing with those gravels, of course. Big rocks. Get my way. Let you guys take a look here. Getting the bigger rocks, of course, a little bit smaller rocks, down to your gravels. Not a lot of clay, just pretty much gravels in there. Looking great. Well, I'm going to go to town. I'll bring you guys back once I do a clean out on this sloop. Oh, this baby's loaded. Still a little bit more down in some of these pockets. That did not wash it out. Oh, it's like a perfectly sized rock sort of thing. Not a big deal, we got it. All the rest of them look really cleared out. This one, little rock in there. I'll get them out. Anyway, that was good. Continue on. Another great day out on the water, guys. I'm gonna take it back home and get to working on cleaning this gold out. So I'll bring you guys back here soon. Well, we're back at gold headquarters, guys. clean out this bucket. Take my little kitchen strainer. Works really well to classify the smaller pebbles out of there. Clean bucket. Looks good. Strain these little pebbles out. Should be good on that. Dump some of this water in here. Maybe we can save it. Gonna go grab my surface tensioning braking fluid, and I'll be right back. One little dab of this is all it takes. Just the smallest amount, nothing crazy. Clean the water here. Seeing some black sand in there, not a lot. But today I want to say I did about a bucket full, maybe something like that. So I would expect there to be about 3 pieces in here. See what we get. And you know where we're at, guys, we're catching flour gold. You know, you're not talking big pieces. You know, some of those lucky guys out there, they're just in the right spot. Here we got a lot of the pink and purple garnets. They're beautiful, just not worth anything. And I can tell you right there, I already see a piece of gold that had floated down. I wasn't even paying attention. But that is gold. So definitely one piece on the board. Looks like another small piece up on top. Oh, he had a friend. I saw him right there. Going a little too fast. So we do have gold in the pan. I'm going to clean this up and bring you guys back. I'll try to get a little closer view so you guys can see this well. One little fly poop, you guys. Right there at the tip of my finger. You guys can see that, I'm sure. It's just really small. But still cool nonetheless. Anyway, thank you for joining me today. You guys take care. Have a great day. Try to stay out of the rain if you're getting rained on. And if you're in the sunshine, just keep enjoying it. Big ol' Brewski out.